Hi and welcome to the Human Tune. First of all, what's your name?
My name's Holly.
My name's Barney.
Hi Barney, hi Holly. Now, just explain, where are we? What building?
We're at the in St James's building in Manchester.
Oxford Street?
Oxford Street, yeah. And we're students from BPP Law School. And we're just organising we organise a pro bono clinic, legal advice clinic.
The Pro
Bono, free legal advice.
A free legal advice clinic?
Yes.
How long does that run for?
It runs once a year between October and May.
Between October and May?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Now, this is a law school, so it's within term time, I understand.
Yes, it does shut during the sort of summertime, so it's only open during term time. If we ever have exams over a period of a couple of weeks, that can interfere as well, but generally it is October to May.
Why a free legal clinic?
I suppose it's beneficial around. I mean, in terms of all the student advisors do the interviews with the clients, so it's beneficial for the students in terms of the actual practice with the proper clients. It also helps the clients because often they don't have anywhere else to go to for advice, and if we're able to provide the service, then that's fantastic all round, really.
Yeah.
Of course, one of the benefits is that it's free.
Oh, absolutely, yes.
Yeah, I mean, no money is spent on it, and it's our time that's used, and we obviously don't charge for our time yet, so no money has to be spent to go through it.
Do you actually go with them through the whole process in going into court?
No, we don't actually represent in court. What we do is take some initial details over the telephone, call back if we have a supervisor that can look at the case with us, and then we will go through an interview process and give them some advice through a letter form. But in terms of representation, we can't actually do that for them.
But you can actually help them in preparing to see a solicitor, which will obviously eventually cut costs for them.
Yeah, of course, and we may also advise that a solicitor's not the best area. We don't always go straight away to say that they're going to need further legal help. We may sort of refer them to websites or different areas like the Citizen Advice Bureau that they may be able to get help, because some people don't even know that they can do that. So
the benefit of what we're able to offer is just a general overview of their legal position and provide them with any options which they might take. And as Holly said, sometimes it will be taking it to a solicitor, but more often than not, it's just so they know where they are in terms of the current situation.
Have you had any follow-up? Has anybody come back to you and said?
Yeah, we do actually send out with the letter a questionnaire asking if they liked our service and if it helped and what was best about it, any comments they could make to help us make it any better for future clients as well.
Yeah, and so far it's been very positive. We don't get feedback from every single client, but the ones that we do have has been very positive, and it's been great to be able to.
I don't think we've had a negative comments, have we? No.
I mean, the only negative feedback we've got is when clients have asked us to take it further, asked to clarify their position further or another matter, which there was one instance where we were unable to take it further. We provided for the advice, and then the client wanted clarification of this, and further to that we're unable to help because
that's where we stop, isn't it, really? That's when they need to go to a solicitor rather than come back to us because they want us to sort of represent them at tribunal and that sort of thing, and we can't do that.
Obviously because you're training. Yeah,
we're only training, we're not qualified, so we wouldn't actually be of much use at that point anyway.
How confident can people be in this service? Because you're trainees, you're not actually got the experience, so how can people be absolutely confident?
We have a safety net. We always have a supervisor that is specialised and trained and actually teaches here at the school, so we would never send out any sort of false legal advice, and we always go through what we've done with the supervisor, and it's always signed off first before it's sent out, so we're completely confident in the advice that we give.
And there is a full process in terms of when we initially take on a client. The supervisor is assigned, and the supervisor will meet with the two students who are to do the interview, and the students will do the research into background legal position, and we'll meet with the supervisor to make sure that they're on the right track.
Yeah, so it's basically overseen and double checked.
Oh yeah. Yes, definitely.
Brilliant. When do you actually do these surgeries? What day of the week?
It's Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock.
So when?
Well, it's just 6 to 7 is the hour we bring clients in, and we usually interview between one and 3 clients.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Yeah.
And if I wanted some legal advice, how do I get in contact with you?
You do it through telephone calls. We have the number here.
It's numbers 0161 235 7180.
Okay, just say that slowly.
0161 235 7180.
We also do have leaflets that we send out. We have them at citizens advice bureaus, in libraries. Where we have some of the students that can hand them out sort of on the streets or possibly in shops. So they are around the Manchester area.
But we don't. I mean, what's important is the initial contact is through the phone. We don't actually do kind of drop-in centres, as it were. So people can't just turn up and ask for advice. They have to be sort of assigned an appointment.
Right. So even if they forget the telephone number, they can go to the library, get the information.
Yes.
Then they have to phone you.
Yeah, and there isn't somebody sort of sat on the telephone all the time, because that would mean a student there every day, but we do check the phones every single day. So we have a message service, so it gives you a chance to sort of leave some brief details so we know what it's about, and then we've got an idea when we call back, and we'll take a lot more information then and sort of pass that on to a supervisor to see if we can actually take the case on.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.